All right. Good morning. Thanks for taking time out of your Thursday to jump on here with us. Today, we're going to be talking about the power change, the flexible power solutions for commercial spaces offered by Legrand. It's going to be a real quick agenda today. What we're just going to do is just talk about how these commercial spaces are changing, as you know, due to COVID and the quarantine. And then we're going to talk about the portfolio solutions that Legrand has to offer you. And then we'll have some time at the end for questions. So as you know, everyone's expected and, looking forward to returning back to the workspace. This is going to be, a fast, inexpensive, we want to make this as fast and inexpensive and safe as possible. And definitely, make everyone as happy as possible when they return to these spaces. The biggest areas that are going to be hit are going to be your commercial offices and your education, as well as, those outdoor areas where people are going to all join together. So how are these, how will we open these facilities? Well, we want to make things flexible. People can move stuff around, spread out, give as much space as possible. So these flexible power options are going to be key to that to reopening. So we'll dive right into it. I want to talk about two products, and these are things that you should have in stock and can definitely order. That they're in good stock at Legrand. That's going to be the desktop power center and your modular power. And I believe you'll find both of these in the latest issues of the Smart Buys. With the desktop power center, and I actually have one right here, comes with a nice 6-foot cord. A couple different options that you can get with these. Can be in 2 or 3 outlet version with either a dual USB port type A, or you could have a USB A and a USB-C charging on there. These, you can either get a clamp that this clamps onto the back of the desk, or it can be screwed to underneath the desk or to the back of the desk too. So now people don't need to climb underneath desks to find that power strip. The power is right there, plug in there, and it's good to go. Another nice option with these as well, that the plug actually has, it's a plug receptacle all in one. So once you plug it in there, you can continue to use that outlet. It's not completely cut off from the world. Then we have our mod power system. This is going to be great for conference rooms. It is important to point out that this is UL962A. What that is, it's approved for in furniture movable power. So what this is, it's a power system. As you see here, everything links together. It's perfect for conference rooms where you have rolling tables and you want to move it around and change, how it's looking from day to day. There are 3 parts to this system. There's a primary, a secondary, and an end unit. The primary is going to be where you plug into your receptacle, and then you kind of daisy chain it down, and you can hook up 4 of the middle section, and then you have your end unit that just closes it off. It doesn't let you extend any more power or any more receptacles after that. These do come with cord clips, so you can set everything, make it nice and neat underneath, and and you can move these around. One thing to point out is you can just run it with just the primary and the secondary going through. You don't need, if you're missing one section, it's not going to render it useless. You can really, it's flexible. Then we have our Connect Track system. I'm sure most of you have had some experience with this. For about 1.5 years now, Capital's been stocking the express kits. These are stocked in at the CDC, and if we need to get stock at certain stores, we can definitely do that as well. I can we can have a conversation and talk to Ted or whoever needs to relocate that stock for you. But now, actually, thanks to Capital, these express kits are all come in one box. Everything that your contractor needs, so they can place the order with you, come pick it up, and you're good to go. In the express kits, there are 3 different kits. The first one's going to be the under carpet. This is a 8-foot piece of runway, goes underneath the carpet. It comes with the transitions and everything. This comes with a quad receptacle. And also in the box, you're going to have the keystones that go for the data hookup as well. And we have the on-floor kit. So this is made to, you can go on pretty much any surface, screw it in there, snaps in there. Again, this comes with a 8-foot section stock, and you have your quad receptacle and your data bits come in there as well, your keystones and everything. This system does have a 6-foot extension available for it as well. And then it comes with a flexible piece of conduit inside with the data, or 24 feet of power cables. So with that 6-foot extension, you don't need to buy any extra cord or anything. It all hooks up. It's all in one box. And then coming later this month is the Connect Track Flex, and I will be hosting another training on this as well. And Legrand will have several trainings on this too. But this is just like you order it the same way you would do your original Connect Track systems, where it's a design system. So you can send his request to us at OneSource, or you can send it directly to quotes at Connect Track. So we can build that out for you. Typically, it's a 2 to 3 day turnaround. But get it to us as quickly as possible, and we're trying to turn that around and get that to you. This new system is going to make things just snap together, and installation for the contractor is going to be much faster. Then, as we know, facilities are going to want to start opening up and getting people outside. Spring is nearly here. I can see that the snow's melting all around me. So we want to start looking back to those outdoor spaces. And as you know, Legrand has a large breadth of products for those outdoor spaces. Really popular is going to be the outdoor charging stations. The ground boxes, I've seen quite a few requests coming in for those already this year. So just keep sending them over, and there's a bunch of different options for those products. The solar charging kit is really cool. There's no trenching required. If there's already pre-existing pole lamp post, the solar panel can fix to it, and then it has a nice little charging base on there where people can hang around and charge their cell phones. We have the cable protectors for those temporary power situations, and then also to go along with those cable protectors, we have our high amp power pedestals, which are great for those places that want to do outdoor concerts and hook up those larger power devices. And then we have a few new products on the horizon as well. We have a really cool radiant or decorator style wave switch coming in July. Bunch of new antimicrobial switches, some dual tech sensors. Something I'm really happy about is the USB GFCI. They're releasing it in 15 amp, and it's going to be coming to AC or USB A and C. So look forward to seeing more about that product soon. We do have some stand-up desks coming from Legrand, along with power strips that have USB type A and C in them. And then you see later this month, the Connect Track Flex will be out there in the world. But that is what those are some of the new products that we have for you today. Looks like it took me 12 minutes to blow through that. So hopefully everyone got the information that they needed for those things. But if anyone has any questions, please unmute yourself. My email address and my cell phone are right there. So feel free to send me any requests for cut sheets or white papers on some of these products, or just give me a call and we can chat about them. All right. Well, thank you all very much. And if, like I said, if you have any questions, please unmute yourself, and we're happy to answer them for you. Look forward to meeting with you guys again.